change characters in the brother printer. Open the front door and bring out the drum. This is the drum. Bring out the drum. This is the new toner, and open this. Open this. You will get the new toner. It comes in the sealed package like this. Take a scissor and cut the seal. This is how the new drum looks like. It's not the drum, it's the new toner. And you have a seal to it. And remove the seal, and the seal indicates how to install the toner into the drum. And let us bring the drum here. And this is the drum we removed from the printer, and by pressing this green LED you can take out the toner. You can take out the toner and replace it by the new one. Just put it in the slots and just press it like this. It's very simple to change the toner of the printer and put the drum back, and it's drum back into its place, and close the door. And the model of the printer is this.